What's good, my samurai? It's your boy Shebney over here with Royale Samurai. So I told you guys that I'd have some more content coming up. That was a long time ago, almost a year ago. I know, I'm sorry. So I'm out here with my boy Matt. He's gonna introduce himself pretty soon. And we are working on a Mustang, what year is it? 16 or 17 Mustang 5.0. We are currently wiring. I am doing his underbody LEDs and engine bay, but we're not doing engine bay today for some unexpected things that occurred. And he does headlights, so I'm gonna give this away to Matt and get this video going.
What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Friscia with Friscia's Customs. So like your great samurai told you, we're working on this beautiful 5.0 Mustang S550. So what we did today on my end is we did custom headlights. So customer wanted a red bezel going around his projector, and he wanted everything else blacked out. So like normally this is normally orange, this around here is normally chrome, and then this around here is chrome. And then these little 3 strips are normally white, but we went ahead and went with the stealthy look. Also, LED wise, we have a multicolored demon eye and we have multicolor strips going in these 3. Both of these products will be controlled via Bluetooth with a Bluetooth controller. And yeah, that's pretty much what we have here today.
All right, guys, so basically what I did was mount everything. If you can see it, let me see if I can get, there we go, mounted everything up to the brake lines, and we're gonna just run it all down. You can see, let me get under here more. You can see how we are just mounting it down. It's gonna run right past the side skirt, and then when we get the sides on, they're gonna be, I'm guessing, here, there's my finger, maybe around this area. We're gonna mount the side skirt and do the same thing on the other side. And I've yet to figure out the front end, but that's how we're gonna mount this on. It's not hard. We are using the LED glow 3 million advanced smartphone LEDs. And basically the way they hook up is you just put the, each LED has its own line, like this right here. And it has a little chip that you put in. And here is the product, LED glow. It's a little chip that you put in, and it just mounts in, and I'll go over and show you that. And this is where you put the chips in. It is plug in, nice little plug and play. I will admit, this is one of the things I like about LED glow, that each LED has its own separate wire. So you don't have to do a hard wire or mount them onto actual LED strips like a lot of other LEDs. You mount them in right here. Now for wiring purposes, that's kind of confusing because they all run to the same point, so you have to really figure out where to mount so it doesn't reach any hot spots in the engine. As you can see, this is a massive engine, no room for mistakes. So that's probably going to be the most difficult part of this installation, but it won't be too hard. I got the Master Tech wire over here.
Oh, man, there he goes. Put me on the spot again.
You know, so we're gonna get this knocked out.
We're doing good.
And next time you see this, a lot more things will be finished, and I'll be able to go over and show you a lot more. Alright guys, so we ran into a little hiccup. Somehow we managed to lose 2 full bags of zip ties. He and I both, so we're both at blame for this. I'm gonna get under here and show you what we got so far, because we're about to lower this side down when he's finished. And we're gonna mount everything. So right now he's just getting everything tucked in neat. We have to go through the engine bay, and we also have to figure out for the driver's side how to wire this without it touching anything hot. As you can see, we have the headers and exhaust all right there. So that's gonna be fun. Fun. Really fun. But we're gonna get it knocked out. It's not gonna be bad. But we're gonna have to figure out that wiring before we come under here and mount that other side. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot of mounting and then rewiring. No one wants to do that.
Nope.
But yeah, this is what we got so far. We got the side on right through there, and you can't see it, but we have the rear on also. And you have the front, right?
Oh, front and the grill, yep.
All right, so there's one in the front, and there's one also in his grill that we put on. So we have what, four knocked out?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we literally just need to do that side and we're done.
All right. 4 out of the 5 knocked out. We are almost finished. This job is going by a lot faster than we both expected. Excuse the stuttering. But yeah, let's see what this guy is doing over here. I'm sorry about that.
No, you're good. Basically, I'm just trying to make sure all the wires are uniformed. I know it sounds stupid, but you see how they're like going over on top of each other? I want them to be more uniformed and more parallel. It's just how I do my wires. I just, even though the customer's never going to see this, I just want to make sure when he sees this, it's all clean and done the right way. So it's just how we do it.
Got to keep everything neat. So, what if we find a way to go past the oil pan over there?
I'm trying
and route it through.
I'm trying to see like over here, and then I'm trying to avoid this header. So what I might do is I might come up just like how you did in the rear. I might come up with this brake line, and we might come up through the strut tower.
Okay.
Just to hide the wires the best way. Keep them away from moving and hot objects.
Yeah. Getting a sweet view of this tattoo right here.
How you doing?
This 4K is really highlighting everything.
Oh God, probably my ashy ass skin is what it's highlighting.
Look, bro, I'm black. I don't know what ashy looks like on a white person.
We're doing good though. Wow. Whew. Almost done.
So we're gonna let him do that. And I'm going back up top because it's really tight under here. So up here at top, well at the top, you can see that's where we have the relay mounted. And everything is super clean. You can't even find the rest of these wires. This is why I love this guy, man. He always does the cleanest work. The cleanest work. I mean, if you just really pay attention, you can see a little bit of where things going, but
how many wires there are?
Right. Say you're at a car meet or a car show and you just see the engine bay like this, you don't even know. This is the main frame for all the LEDs. It's not going through the cockpit like a lot of people do. It's all right here.
We'll do this for your samurais.
Okay.
So we'll turn on the DRL boards first.
Oh, you're turning on. Okay, awesome. Look at this.
So the DRL board, we'll just do green.
Uh-huh.
And then for the Demon Eye, we'll do Christmas colors, we'll do red.
Look at
and
this.
If you wanted to change it up, we'll speed this up, let it go through different colors, and then for the DRL, let's speed this up a little bit and let that go through different colors.
Clean, right?
Oh yeah. You gotta get me some videos off of your phone. Seriously.
Yeah, it's an 8+. And then, just for a little more of a treat, we're gonna go and pick up this. Let's.
Not everything's done there, but yeah. Is it all hooked up? No, it's all unplugged.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, we're not there yet. Nope.
No?
Everything's unplugged.
Oh, God.
I had to redo everything.
Oh, the grill's in.
No.
They can see the grill a little bit.
Alright, a little something.
Little something, not much. Let's change the color of that. And he has this remote, and it's also Bluetooth, so you can go through on his phone and do this through the phone if he doesn't want to deal with this remote, because I used to have this same remote on a 96 Honda Civic that I used to own. Because I had the 2 million LED light set. And it was the same remote, and it's a really convenient remote. Not going to say it's a crappy remote, but sometimes when you're hitting buttons on it, it doesn't respond as fast as you want. See, I just hit it on purple, and I had to hit it twice, and it's still purple. So it's really convenient that they have a Bluetooth app now. So definitely good on you guys, LED Glow. I use XK Glow now. That's just, and you can see this is where we've mounted that LED. But standing back, looking at it straight up, you wouldn't think to look there. So turn that off. There we go. But yeah, that's what we have so far. And like I said, we're about to lower this side and go onto the driver.
Once I get all these wires.
So is he ever gonna go interior with the LEDs, or is it just gonna be underbody?
I don't know. I'll be honest with you, I don't know.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you give a follow to White Knight Moto on Instagram. So it's going to be White Knight, spelled exactly like white, and knight as in the old knights from history, I guess. Give them a follow on Instagram. That is his Mustang. And make sure you give a like, a comment, and subscribe. Alright? It's the end of the video, and look, if you don't think you can do more, you're not doing enough. Alright? I'm out.